Okay, I want to give y'all a little update on what we've been doing on this Mustang here so y'all can see. Okay, I got 4 pans all in, seat risers welded in, got 4 pan solid to the tunnel around there. Okay, been working on the back here, doing a little body work, patched up a hole here, little patch, and patch some on the other side. I don't know if anybody's ever did patching before, but you start out with a piece of cardboard. You take the cardboard, you cut it till it'll fit, and then you cut your metal, and then you fit that on there and weld it in. So anyway, and then took care of this. Okay, this is my fender well, and I didn't want to replace the fender well, but I had some holes in there, so I just patched that in. That's a little patch piece, put that in there. But I'm going to clean all this up, and I'll put some sealer on this, and then I'm going to put some undercoating on these wheel wells, and to cover that up. You won't even be able to see that. It'll be all covered up. So anyway, here's another patch we did here, patching up the holes, patching up holes here, here, patched up a hole. Anyways, patching it up, getting it ready. All these patches, I'm grinding them down and getting them ready. And then, anyway, and patching stuff over here. Here's a patch here. And anyway, fix to put a new, this wheel well in over here. Put that weld in. I'm going to weld that in there and patch that hole. This is going to put in the new inner rocker rails. And the other work I did, I had to cut out some of that to do it. But anyway, so that's the way it is. It's going pretty good. Oh, there's some more patching back here. More patching back here. It'll be covered up by the bumper. You'll never see that. I'm not going to grind that down. All right, have a good one.